Q4 has officially started, and if you haven't started testing products yet, you might want to get a run on it because this is the most lucrative time of the year for all of e-commerce. This is the time of the year where people are more willing to spend money because of the holidays. So if you want to capitalize on the holiday rush, you need to know what products are working right now so that way you can capitalize. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling here in October 2025. So make sure you stick with me to the end of the video because these are 5 products that you need to be selling right now here in Q4 and you're not going to want to miss it. With that being said, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're a beginner that's completely new to dropshipping and you're just confused, you don't know which direction to take, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy, which is my full A to Z dropshipping program. And without further ado, let's hop right into product number 1. All right, you guys, hopping into product number 1, and we're coming at it with an absolute banger off the rip. These are warm fleece women's leggings, okay? So women want to wear leggings during the winter. Obviously, we're in October, it's going to start getting cold outside. And again, women want to wear leggings, so this product allows them to do that. So basically, it just has like a wool basically inside so that, again, they can wear them. And it hasn't updated here, but you'll see here in a second that this listing actually has over 10,000 units sold. So product is a banger, as you can see right here, 10,000 units sold. Product's a banger. Product is definitely something that's being sold always during this time of the year and is definitely something that you can build on and still have a successful brand moving forward. So as you can see, you're gonna get the product for around $4.33. It's more so around that $10 to $12 mark. But it comes in multiple colors, black, it comes in gray, blue, pretty much every color that a woman would need. Just be very careful on your sizing. Make sure that you're very clear on the sizing chart on your product page. So let's fact check the competitor. So this company that we're gonna be checking out is called Fleece. They sell about $9,000 a day of this product, $47,000 a week, and $212,000 a month. All right, so hopping into the competitor's video ad. So it's really short, so I'm gonna pause it really quickly, but I hate that I can't show the video or play it because it has copyrighted music. Kind of happens a lot with this series, but as you can see, it's just a response video to a comment. It just says, "Oh my God, need," and it says, "This is your sign to get fleece lined tights for the winter." So basically all she does is just show off the tights, show that it's really warm. As you can see, she's wearing them. It has an inner lining of wool, and that is it. It might only be 5 seconds, but they've been running this ad for 155 days. They put anywhere from $6.2K to $25,000 into this specific advertisement. So we know that it's working. But at the end of the day, do you really need much selling on a pair of leggings? It's very straightforward. It's a commodity, which is why I like products like this. So this right here is the competitor's site. Again, it's called Fleece. They're calling this the Fleece Classics. They're selling one pair for $29.99. They have some of the colors that we saw on AliExpress, but not all of them. That's where you could kind of stand out and make sure you have all the colors available. Okay, they're doing a 1 pair with free leg warmers for $29, but you are going to get hit with a shipping fee. Okay, and then they're trying to get you on the 2 pairs, which 2 pairs is going to cost you $53, and you're going to get free shipping. I mean, at the end of the day, I can't really say much because they're making a ton of money with this product, but there's not really much explanation here for the product whatsoever. It's very, very simple. No diaper bum, flexible stretch fabric, comfort first design. I think you guys can really come in and like make this a little bit better. That's just my honest opinion. But they have a testimonial section here, which is, this is literally the video that we just watched. And then they end off with, again, more customer reviews of customers enjoying the product, showing it off, and having a great experience. So this is definitely a product that I would start testing for sure, just because, again, it's colder season. This is the perfect time to get started with this type of product, and it gives you an opportunity to be able to build off and branch out into other products in this specific sector. Really quickly, I want to interrupt today's video to talk to you guys about the great sponsor of today's video, AutoDS. They're my go-to dropshipping supplier. They're going to give you fast shipping times, great product quality and customer service, and on top of that, it also is a product research tool. So you can do your product research and also add the products right to your store with just a few clicks. So if we check out the marketplace section, this is basically going to be all the products that AutoDS has to offer on the platform. And just to let you know, I haven't found a single product that I couldn't source through AutoDS. It's actually insane. But they have tons of different ways for you to be able to find winning dropshipping products. My personal favorite is the ad spy portion because it puts the TikTok Creative Center and the Facebook ad library into one tool, so you don't have to have multiple different tabs. You can look at Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads all underneath one place. So I did a basic search of thermal leggings, which is the product I just showed you guys. So if you're looking for a supplier, here you go. So as you can see, it comes from the AutoDS warehouse and it's in euros, but basically this is around $10 to $15 depending on the size. And as you can see, you're gonna get it within 11 to 14 business days, which is extremely competitive. And since that product is fulfilled by AutoDS, you will actually be able to have the opportunity to have them fulfill all your orders automatically, upload the tracking information, so that way you have a hands-free dropshipping business. So the good people at AutoDS actually hooked it up for you guys and gave me the opportunity to allow you to try this on your Shopify dropshipping store for literally just $1. So $1, you can try this out for the next 30 days and see if it's a good fit for you. If you're interested, be sure to go down to the first link in the description. Now, product number 2 is definitely something that I've mentioned on a previous top 5 video, and it's for good reason. I'm a father myself, and I know how valuable a product like this is. And I know that there's a missing market for it because I've had to try out like 3 or 4 different brands, okay? Now, this product right here is a baby bottle warmer. Now, the one I showed previously was this one. There's no right or wrong answer, but there is just a need in the market for this. Now, basically what this allows you to do is warm up a baby's bottle on the go. If you know anything about kids, warming up bottle is a pain in the ass if you don't have one of these because you're gonna have to walk around with warm water inside of a flask, and then you could put the bottle in there and warm it up that way. This product allows you to warm it up at a snap of a finger, okay? And these products are being sold upwards of $100 plus. So the margins are definitely there, and I think that there needs to be some more of a competitor other than just like Mom Cozy, which is one of the big competitors for a baby product like this, okay? So this product, for example, you're gonna get for around 25 bucks, okay? And then this product here is gonna be a little bit more expensive. This is the one that I'm actually gonna be showing. This is a different variation, okay? And this product is going for around $37.44, okay? As you can see, you literally just dump the bottle upside down, you put the nipple inside of the bottom, turn it on, change the heating temperatures, and then you're good to go in a few minutes, okay? There's tons of high quality images that you can use for your site, and you could throw these into ChatGPT and make them 20 times better, but you can create a full-fledged baby brand with this product being your forefront product. And as always, I'm gonna show you the numbers because numbers don't lie, okay? So this product right here, as you can see, the company is called My Bambinis. They're doing about $5,555 a day, 31K a week, and $143,000 a month. So here's their winning advertisement. They're going just off of what I just said before, the struggle it is to warm up a bottle on the go. So they start off just become parents, then this parenting hack is something you shouldn't miss. They show, you attaching the actual warmer to the bottle and then how it warms up, like very straight to the point, but you can see how easy this actually is. You can just pop it right out of the diaper bag, put your baby's bottle in there, and then literally warm it up in seconds. It solves a massive problem in a massive industry. Babies are literally born every I think it was 5 seconds. So you're never gonna run out of potential customers. So checking out the competitor's website, it's nothing special whatsoever. This is why I say don't spend too much time on your website, because at the end of the day, your offer, your angles, and your ads is what's gonna make a great dropshipping business, and you can always make your website better afterwards, but you could definitely make something better than this. But they're selling the product for 80 bucks. You could probably charge even more than that, but that's gonna leave you around a $40, $50 profit margin. So the margin is definitely there. They have this cool little graphic here, which I really like. And then it just basically just shows the battery performance, what's the temperature setting, just basically breaking down the product and how to use it. They have GIFs on your site showing exactly how to use the product, which is fantastic for something like this. They have another how to use section, as you can see here. Definitely something that is an underrated section for your site, because products like this need more of an explanation than just a simple what the features are. And then they have a section down here for reviews, and it looks like there's tons of people who are enjoying these products, and you can tell that they're actual real reviews, they are making money with this product, because you can see their branding right on the actual review. Hopping into product number 3, we have this pet nail grinder, and it's pretty straightforward product, but also really cool. So this is a portable nail grinder, so you can grind down your dog's, sharp nails. And one of the angles that you can use for this is maybe somebody that can't afford to bring their puppy to PetSmart or to a vet to, get their nails clean, and they kind of want to do it at home. this is a great product, and pets are in a massive niche. As you can see, over 10,000 units sold of this specific product. You're gonna get it for around $23.77, and you can easily sell this for around like 40 bucks, okay? There's a lot of high quality images that you can use here, and there's so many different marketing angles that you can use for this type of product. Like for me, I used to have a husky, and nobody in PetSmart ever wanted to touch her nails. Like some dogs are pretty aggressive, and they'll refuse to touch their nails because they're afraid they're gonna get bit. So if you have a dog like that, like for me, I actually had to do the nails myself. So this would have been a great product for me back in the day, okay? So let's go ahead and check out the competitor's video ad. Actually, let me confirm the sales for you first. So this right here, the company we're gonna be checking out is called Husum. I believe that's how you say it. They're doing 10K a day, 80K a week, and over $380,000 per month with this product. So here's the competitor's video, and it's literally like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but this is their winning advertisement. It really gets into the pain point. Like you can see the sad puppy face, but this is a very good advertisement. So basically they just start off, here's how to safely trim your nails without fear, stress, or risk of infection, which is a great hook. So basically she's just saying that, you know, she was getting bit by her dog, and that the dog basically understands what it means to get their nails done. So they're bad at the vets, and the moment that those clippers, you know, come out, they get scared, or they just don't want you to cut their nails, whatever the case may be, okay? So long story short, she started using this product, but this is a great ad to kind of mimic after, because there's so many different pain points that you could really get into this, like the dog's fear, you know, infection, you know, not wanting to pay $60 every couple of weeks to be able to get their nails done. Like there's so many different ways that you can market a product, you know, just like this. So if we check out the competitor's site, they're calling this the Silent Groom Pro, $39.95 for this product. Safe, ultra quiet. There's tons of different like high quality images. And if you scroll down, very first thing, this is a marketing angle that you guys can use. Caution, nail clippers may be hurting your dog. So they really get into that pain point, the emotional pain point of hurting your puppy. They talk about stress-free, you know, nail grinding, show you the product in use, that it's effective for all breeds and sizes. It's crazy, for a device that's this small, you would think that it would only be good for, you know, smaller dogs, but as you can see, you know, there's a couple different ports depending on your specific dog size. But they do a fantastic job of explaining this product, exactly what it is and the benefits of it. And then they end off, well, yes, they end off with reviews of that specific product. So all in all, this is a fantastic product page. I think they did a really good job with not only the structure, but also getting into those pain points, because that's really how you're gonna be able to sell something like this. Product number 4 is an absolute banger, because it's something you could turn into a full-fledged brand, and it's such a simple product that doesn't need much selling because it's a commodity. So this product is nipple covers, okay? They come in different sizes, come in different colors to match your actual skin tone. Doesn't really need too much explanation, but you put it inside of your bra and it hides your nipple, okay? Very, very simple. So as you can see, over 10,000 units sold, so you know the product has demand. And what I love about this product is, one, women are gonna wanna purchase more than one of these, right? So you're gonna be able to create crazy good offers, but also, you're also gonna be able to sell this product with a buy one, get one free, or a buy two, get one free, okay? So the offer creation for this is gonna be amazing because the cost of goods are so low. $5.48 for one pair. You could do 2 pairs, you know, buy one, get a second pair for free. And then you could charge, you know, 30 to 40 bucks. So the margin is gonna be insane on something like this. And just to fact check it, as you can see, the company we're gonna be checking out is called Cakes Body. They're doing 22K a day, 132K a week, and $627,000 every single month with this product. So the competitor's video ad is very straightforward. I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but she's basically just showing you the different sizes of the covers, showing the packaging, shows her putting it on. There's like, you know, 3 different sizes, it looks like. 3 different sizes, 3 different colors to match your exact skin tone. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know everything about this type of product, but if you're gonna sell something like this, make sure you do a little bit of research. She ends up putting it on, showing you like, you know, how good they feel, I guess, like whatever the case may be. So you get the point. This is their best performing advertisement from what I saw. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop into their exact offer and website. So their product page is very straightforward, but I love the color scheme behind it and the branding of it. I think it looks really clean. So as you can see, there's multiple colors of this. They're calling this the Sticky Cakes bestseller set, which apparently comes with circles and triangles. Not sure what that means. I'm guessing it's this, the shape of the breast. I don't know. Okay. But comes in multiple sizes, multiple colors, like I said before. I love the layout of their site. It says sticky, not icky, comfortable, secure covers that won't rip your nips off. That's pretty funny. But I'm guessing a pain point of a product like this is that it's too sticky, okay? So I guess this product fixes that. They have testimonials of other people showcasing, again, the product, the FAQ section, and that's pretty much it. Their product page is very simple, but simple is always more, in my opinion. A lot of you guys have so many different sections on your site explaining your product like way too much in depth. Like if you're just testing a product, focus on a couple sections, explain exactly what your product is, and get it up and get live, okay? Do not spend too much time adding too many different sections. So this is a great product. I would definitely give this one a test. Definitely something you could sell year round, create a full-fledged brand around. Let me know if this is a product that you're interested in testing. Now, product number 5 is definitely something a little bit different than what I show. I wanted to add something kind of fun. I saw this on my TikTok For You page a couple of days ago, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw it in. So it's just a portable neck shoulder massager, okay? It's like any other massager. It's also heated as well, but what's kind of funny is that it's literally hands, okay? And when you see their TikTok, I'm gonna show you their TikTok, the videos are going crazy on there. The views are actually insane. So this is more of a higher ticket product. It does heat up as well. You're gonna get it for around 85 bucks, and I think the competitor's selling it for around like $130. So as always, just to fact check everything, the site is called tcare or tcarecare.com. I think that's how you say it. They're doing 7K a day, 55K a week, and 93K a month. So instead of just showing you one video ad, this company had a pretty big TikTok following, so I thought I'd show you that so you can see multiple different videos. So this video here has 18.1 million views, and it was just posted a few months ago. But what's really cool, and I think what's making it go viral, is not only the hands is like super weird, but also, these products just crush, okay? People love products for neck pain, back pain, knee pain, but what makes this product so unique is that you can use it in multiple different areas of your body. So you can use it on your calves, you can use it on your neck, you can use it on your legs, like whatever you want, which makes this product really stand out. And as you can see, it's getting really consistent views. 18.1 million, 28K, this one has 600K, this one has 1.2 million, and this is all recent free traffic right to your Shopify store. And as for their product page, I'm not even gonna show it that much because it's terrible. You can definitely make something 20 times better. They have a description, they have some reviews here on the bottom, but you can make this way better, brand it a lot better. And this is definitely something that you can create a full-fledged brand around, because this niche is something that people are looking all the time for different solutions to their body aches. So if you could come up with a better way to actually brand this, I can see you definitely crushing with something like this. So that's gonna do it for the top 5 winning dropshipping products of October 2025. I hope you guys did take some value from this and that you found a product that you could potentially test. Again, these videos are just to give you inspiration on products that are working currently, but also to give you my thought process on what I'm thinking of when it comes to choosing winning products, okay? So I hope that you're taking value and implementing it into your own dropshipping businesses. As always, if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for all the support that you guys give me in general. It really keeps me motivated to keep pushing out this content for you guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.